Hello, this is Zihan, and here's my backyard garden that I help out some from time to time. Alright, let's go from right to left. Here's a plum tree. Here's an aloe. Some It's some sort of it's a squash that goes all the way up here. A rose, a rose plant, and my favorite, an orange tree. I was actually curious to see why these orange or green, right? And I thought maybe it's like the same reason green leaves would turn orange as chloroplast stops photosynthesis. And I searched online. It seems as the temperature drops, the orange color may turn green, but that doesn't mean green oranges aren't ripe. In fact, some there are hardly any oranges near the equator, and most are artificial colored. I didn't know that before, so it's pretty interesting. And also, we have these eggshells, crushed eggshells on the bottom. Over here, there's a little bit too. Apparently, it gives calcium, which helps the cell wall of the plant become a little more sturdy. Here's a tomato that's near the end of its life, unfortunately. We harvested most of it already, but here you see there's still some tomato. That's one tomato. And next there's this apple tree that gets attacked by squirrels a lot of times. Sometimes leaves cores behind. It's pretty. And then another sort of citrus fruit, same to the orange. And lastly, we have this plant here. At first I bought it back and planted it around this area over here. And it started to grow. This way. And it kind of got out of control. Yeah. It's kind of removed, so I removed it from the soil over here. It's probably going towards sunlight because sunlight comes this way, and this citrus tree probably blocks half the sunlight over here. So instead of growing this way, it probably goes this way. And that's about it. And all in all, the experience of growing a garden is pretty interesting. And I feel like I actually do a lot, but in actuality, it's just watering and checking on the plants once in a while. And it feels pretty magical that all this is produced from just water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide.